It's been forever since I've been here. Let's see. 1, 2... Oh. I'm so freaking broke. I'm just gonna window shop. No. No. Ooh. No, too expensive. What about... no. Huh. Wait. What? VR? What's that doing here? Wait, why does that look familiar?